What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We linked up with two of the boys. Ed? God damn.
What
the? Woo! Where are you going, bro? Look, check out his shoes, boys. And then check out my shoes.
But then look at Diego. Look at
Dude, Diego too. Look at him.
Hey, these are
got the pipe boots.
He got the pipe boots on today. The car.
Dude, the fucking the beard growing out.
This is my grandpa's fucking hat, dude. I'm not as certified as Ed and shit.
We're gonna show the engine bay to the boys. It's all cleaned up now. No engine inside.
Dude, I told Danny this is the first time I've seen his wheels, dude, like on the car and shit. Looks hella crazy.
What
all clean, dude.
Ya no hay nada, vale.
All clean. But I just got off the phone with Tony, and he said my best bet was to paint the engine bay. It's like, just wait on it, don't rush it, and get it painted. Because once the car is done, if everything looks good on the outside, this is gonna look even more like shit.
Well, dude, I just feel like it's gonna be the move to making shit. Because I feel once your car's gonna look good from the outside with the kit, you got your wheels, dude, and then you even full sent it with your motor, dude. I say do the engine bay.
What do you think, Ed?
I say do that.
Should I do it?
But take your time with it, Damian, you know?
Are you painting the same color though?
Yeah, I think so.
Wait, this color?
No, just the color of the car.
Yeah.
You guys have been constantly asking for Diego's bug eye and where it's been, what the progress is with that. Well, it's right here. Still no flares at the moment, but we do have some good news that we'll talk with you guys a little bit later about. This year is the year where Diego finally gets his flares thrown on. It's gonna look so good with these wheels. I think every single one of you guys has been waiting for Diego to finish his car. We got Ed's STI. Not much has changed with his car. You guys saw all of the carbon fiber parts that he installed a while back. Splitter, hood, and then the carbon fiber mirrors. We haven't ate today, so that's gonna be the first move today. We're gonna do an old-fashioned catch a bite to eat. You ready, Diego, or what?
Let's go get
some sushi.
Let's go get some sushi at, what time is it? 1:33.
1:33 sushi.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I haven't been here in days. What inspired the beard?
I don't know, dude. What did it? Nothing inspired it. Wait, what did?
I don't know. You cut the top.
Shave November.
Cut the top, grew the bottom.
Well, I feel like they never saw the top. Like my top was hella long.
No, I think someone did, because I saw a comment that was like, I like Diego's Street Jesus hair.
Because I feel like that was the only video I was in, and it was hella long. But I don't know, dude. I just cut it off. I was like, look.
Starting off with Ed's favorite, some mussels, and my favorite, Moondog Stars.
Mr. Pink.
Mr. Pink, this is probably Ed's favorite roll ever. Only thing I don't like about that one is the salmon. I don't like raw salmon. Now that we're done eating, what we want to do is shoot the cars. But before we do that, they are super dirty. So we're going to head over to the car wash, get them all cleaned up. And then we're going to do a POV drive up to the spot where we want to shoot the cars. So just going to do the touchless car wash. It's kind of cold and it's winter, so really no point in actually washing the cars. We just want them clean for some pictures. That's going to wait over there. We're gonna set up the GoPro in Ed's car, and then we're gonna take this camera in Diego's car and try and do like some POV action.
I'm gonna just put hella saliva on it and then just fucking stick it on there. Mira.
Trial and error type of thing with the GoPro again. I'm gonna get some more mounts. I was talking to Diego about it. We're gonna try and get a mount that we can put on this window right here and kind of face it a little more forward. Because with this one right now, it just kind of gets a straight shot of the driver. How do I do this?
I don't know, just send it.
Spit on it.
You spit on it.
Dude, it's going on your window.
Huh?
It's going on your window though.
Oh, you're waiting for real? Just.
Here, look.
Oh, dude, look what you're doing.
Bro, have moved the car.
It's like the angle that we're gonna try and go for on the GoPro. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully it works. Diego's getting some parts that we're gonna be throwing on. Hopefully when.
I'd say well, I have a lot of things coming up. I have my flares coming in because I feel like a lot of people have been asking me, or I've been getting roasted too, like when are you gonna put on your flares. My flares have been like, the fitment hasn't been the greatest thing, but Carlton flares was cool enough and they sent me an extra one that's supposed to be fitting a little bit better. Should be coming in soon. Once they come in, oh look who's here, look who's here.
Oh, almost here. Yes.
Once the flares come in, we're gonna put them on, and then depending how they fit, we're gonna go from there and get that shit installed. I have a couple suspension parts. That's been my main priority. My rear suspension just sucks ass. Like it's bad. And so I got new end links, a new rear sway, and since I'm doing that, I decided to just get the front front sway and then end links as well. I also have to fix my raise my coilovers a little bit from the rear and fix the camber. And then because one of my tires has been rubbing, and once I get that said and done, we'll go on another test drive.
Hopefully Diego's flares are on pretty soon. I think while I'm working on my whole engine and kit process, Diego is going to be working on his suspension and kit process.
Once I get my flares all fitted and all that stuff,
Suspension dialed in,
I think I'm going to send it on, or I'm going to try to get a C10 little Chevy truck.
C10 truck, boys. So I know you guys probably never would have thought that we would do something different like that on the channel, but Diego has been into these Chevy C10 trucks for a while now, dude. It's gonna be sick.
Let's get it.
Here we go, guys. Sucks about this road is it's a one lane, so like if there's a car in front of you, dude,
I know,
you're stuck behind them.
I feel like this is actually like the best time to come to, because I kind of feel like the roads are clearing out right now.
out of that 6-speed spot, it was like a completely different car.
I like it.
Subies behind me. You could hear Ed's car, dude, just backfiring.
Can you feel the difference in my car now or not?
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah. But like,
I remember the first time I drove it, like on the way down. The one thing that I hated about WRXs is you hit a corner and it just feels like super like wobbly, dude.
Like it's all gonna
Car, like it's just gonna go, dude.
It's all gonna like flip.
Yeah. And with this setup now, it's like it feels solid, dude. Can you feel it too?
Yeah, like that turn right there felt way better.
Dude, look at that view. Look at that view.
We reached that peak time. Look at that
Oh
view.
my god, look at that view, dude.
Yeah, just start slowing down low key. Yeah, just choke us left.
Oh, sorry, dude.
We didn't mean it.
Oh, fuck. Oh, that turn is tight, dude.
You guys ever in your car?
Oh, fuck, dude. Every time you guys go out like this, I'm like, I wish I had my car, dude.
This turn's hella
Oh,
fucking. No, that's gonna come up right now.
now it's hella tight, huh?
It's all elevation game right now. Let's go, baby uncle. Yeah, it's uncle no. Let's see how the view looks like right now up here. Oh, dude, did you see Ed's car?
Did it backfire? Like
Yeah,
crazy?
dude. Fucking
Badass flame.
Does it do that like in higher elevation or it's
I don't know,
Is it
dude.
higher or low? 'Cause right now, dude, we're at the look.
We're at high elevation. Look at that view,
We're at
boys.
the peak of it, dude. Like that's insane.
Big old mountain, dude. Dude, I think so. Like after today, because we're just trying things out, you know, with this whole POV thing. But guys, we want to be doing more POV drives like this. Like imagine if we just, you know, even if we go like an hour out, do POV drives like this together, that'd be sick.
Yeah.
But like maybe I'm gonna look for a mount tomorrow for this camera too.
You think
Because if we could set it up like right here, dude,
Even if we get like an extra one, which I'm pretty sure we can.
or an extra, yeah.
An extra one, I just feel like also different, like I guess like angles. Like right now, Fonquito would have his angle like you know that side one would be sick. Actually, let's see if they go. Oh, dude, that's going, dude. I thought we were gonna turn right here.
Let's just go to the Emerald Bank parking.
Yeah. Let's see wherever he stops. I'm just gonna follow that.
dude, I thought that was a flame, but it was just his like third brake light.
Yeah, dude, but he did take out some flames right now.
Look at Ongo, bro. He's like straight tailgating.
Look at that guy. Let's see. See, Ongo sí salvaje, bro.
Dude, that shit was sick, bro. Dude, you're shooting flames like back and forth. What's up, Ongo?
Sorry, I'm late.
Yo, bro.
Fucking doesn't stop like backfiring.
Dude, huh? That's what I told him.
The whole thing is gonna blow up.
View with all of the Subies, guys. Big old mountain in the back. I wish I could do it justice on camera, but it really doesn't. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're gonna have more of these in the future. I think I'm gonna go tomorrow to Best Buy, try and get like a proper setup for the GoPro and then for this camera as well, so we can do some more POV drives while we can. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. We'll catch you next time.